Today I am giving information you about my project vertical section of a kidney. Our body contains large amount of water which comes from food and liquid that we eat and drink. We lose water from our body when we breathe out or when we sweat or urinate. The balance of the water and the salt must be carefully controlled if we are to be remain healthy. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Apazaba. I am student of class 70. Today my presentation topic is digestive system. As the digestive system is used for breaking down food into nutrients which then pass into the circulatory system and are taken to where they are needed in the body. There are four stages of food processing. Number one is ingestion, taking in food. Number two, digestion, breaking down food into nutrients. Number three, absorption, taking in nutrient the cells. Number four, digestion, removing any leftover waste. Thank you.
My name is Fatma. I am studying class 60. My topic is water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrogen cycle, is the continuous system by which water is circular between the ocean, the earth, the atmosphere and land. It involves the movement of water in three phases. There are solid, liquid and gas. There are 5 stages of water cycle are number 1 aeration, number 2 condensation, number 3 precipitation, number 4 runoff and number 5 transpiration. Thank you.
Alaikum. My name is Mr. Das and I am studying class 60. Today my topic is water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrogen cycle, is the continuous process by which water is circulated between Earth's oceans, atmosphere and land. It involves the movement of water. There are 3 phases of water. Number 1 solid, number 2 liquid, number 3 gas. There are 5 stages of water cycle. Number 1 evaporation, number 2 condensation, number 3 precipitation, number 4 runoff, number 5 transpiration. Thank you.
Madam, principal, teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bahishta and I am the student of class 6D. Today I have made a project of inside the well. Now I will tell you few nouns on inside the well. A well is a large hole in the ground. It is used to extract groundwater. They are called dew and open well water. Well water or shallow water. Well water is used for drinking and domestic purpose. However, well water are having great risks of communication. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmed Raza. I am student of class 5B. My topic is forest. A forest is usually a big space covered with trees, thick vegetation and animals living within. They are an essential part of our ecosystem that must be preserved and protected system. Forest. Thank you.
My name is Ayam from class 5B. Today my topic is forest. A forest is usually a big space covered with trees, thick vegetation and living within. They are essential part of our ecosystem. They create a healthy environment and various species of animals can breed and live. Thank you.